Seniors, stop scrolling. This white powder could be the missing link in your wellness journey. What if I told you one simple kitchen staple, baking soda, could tackle not one, not two, but 3 stubborn health issues that sneak up as we age? Stick around, because we're unpacking natural science-backed ways to boost your energy, soothe your joints, improve digestion, and more, using something you probably already have in your pantry. Let's dive in. Hey there, wellness warriors. At Health Insights, we believe aging is just another word for leveling up. And today, we're giving you 13 reasons to keep baking soda close and those expensive pills far away. 1. Heartburn relief. Let's start with the classic, heartburn. 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water neutralizes stomach acid fast. Instant relief without the side effects of over-the-counter meds. 2. Joint pain and inflammation. Chronic joint pain, baking soda helps calm systemic inflammation. Try a warm soak. 1/2 cup in your bathwater and let the tension melt away. 3. Kidney health support. Studies suggest baking soda may slow kidney decline by neutralizing acids in the body. Talk to your doctor. This one's powerful. 4. Natural detox. Flush toxins gently. A baking soda and lemon juice combo can support liver and lymph function. It's like spring cleaning for your insides. 5. UTI prevention. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps rebalance urinary pH, reducing chances of infections. It's not a cure, but it's a smart prevention strategy. 6. Oral health and gum support. Baking soda's antibacterial punch helps fight plaque, freshens breath, and soothes gum irritation. Smile wider without the price tag. 7. Skin soother for rashes or itchiness. Whether it's a rash, bug bite, or mild eczema, baking soda brings the calm. It's gentle, soothing, and skin safe. 8. Foot, odor, and fungus fighter. Got funky feet? Soak 'em. Baking soda kills odor and keeps fungal growth at bay, all naturally. 9. Energy and endurance boost. Endurance athletes swear by it, and now you can too. Baking soda may help reduce lactic acid buildup, meaning more pep in your step. 10. Digestive support. Struggling with sluggish digestion or bloating? A small dose post-meal can help you feel light and comfy again. 11. Blood pH balance. Baking soda helps maintain a healthy blood pH, which some say may support cellular health and overall vitality. Small change, big impact. 12. Immune system boost. Some studies suggest baking soda may stimulate the spleen and support immune readiness. So your body's always on guard. Benzene, natural deodorant, alternative. No chemicals, no irritation, just pure freshness. Dab some on and go. See, this humble powder isn't just for baking cookies. It's a wellness powerhouse. But remember, moderation is key. Always consult your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially if you are re-managing conditions like high blood pressure or kidney issues.